the OJAYA Deep Meditation course with Tsukaishi David in the Earthbound Rainforest.
Everything in your entire life is dependent on your state of consciousness. Have you ever thought about that? Strong consciousness gives you great power. Actually, it's the power of your consciousness that empowers you in life. Meditation must be very natural and soothing to your nervous system, or it's no meditation at all. If it isn't easy, it isn't meditation. OJAYA is ancient knowledge, rare wisdom, a different kind of meditation that's soothing and blissful, absolutely easy and restful. You'll develop a kavach, an armor of calm energy, a blissful consciousness inside you that protects you wherever you go in your daily life. OJAYA means energy and strength. And people around you will feel it in you. They'll sense there's something different about you. Because when your own consciousness is strong and balanced, you radiate a certain energy, a positivity that's very soothing to everyone that gets near you. Just your very presence calms them. You inspire them, and they feel better. You'll find that your consciousness naturally elevates the consciousness of people you meet. We live in such an extremely fast-paced, stressed-out society. Today, we're barraged by a non-stop rush of chatter from everywhere that's thrust into our consciousness by force, it seems. All this stress affects your health. It disrupts your biorhythms and causes disease, and it causes you to age more quickly. Stress is perhaps the biggest cause of disease and aging. If you get rid of stress, your health improves dramatically, and you'll age much more slowly. When you sit to meditate with OJAYA, these stresses get unlocked. The emotional turmoil dissolves. You just sit comfortably in a chair. You close your eyes, and in just 10 to 20 minutes, you feel a sense of relief. And you get a rush of energy. All the tensions and stresses get washed away. The tiredness and lethargy evaporate out of your system. You open your eyes and you feel fresh. You feel calm. Your head is clear. And you feel this blissful kind of energy. You feel ready to get out there and do something. If you want to feel happy, your consciousness needs to function in harmony, like a well-tuned orchestra. When there's harmony in your consciousness, you feel natural. You feel happy, peaceful, settled, blissful. When your consciousness goes out of tune, when the harmony gets broken, you know it, because you feel terrible. Mantras are sounds that elevate your consciousness. They work on the principle of music. A kavach mantra vibrates your consciousness and attacks stress. And a kavach mantra protects your consciousness like armor. Mantras work on this principle of music, using the power of resonance. Mantras have this unique power to retune your consciousness faster and more deeply than any other meditation technique. The mantra is the fast track, an advanced technology of deep resonance. Because the mantra introduces a brand new wave pattern into your consciousness that wasn't there before. These special sounds are like a super concentrated sort of music, and they have powerful healing effects on your consciousness. This is the highest class of mantra, the kavach mantras, the mantras of heroes. You see, there's a lot of misunderstanding about meditation these days. Many people have many different ideas about what meditation is. and a lot of junk meditation is floating out there. Let's start right now and see what other schools are teaching. Now, usually when people teach meditation these days, they give you a few quick instructions, something like, just watch your breath, and when thoughts intrude, bring yourself back to the breath. They try to teach you meditation in a couple of sentences. They give you a tiny raft and then set you adrift in the wide blue ocean. Meditation cannot be taught this way, and it was never taught that way in the traditional meditation schools in ancient times. If you want to meditate, a better approach is first take a little bit of time to learn the authentic techniques properly, and then you'll spend your time wisely and get the true benefits of deep meditation. Deep meditation is relaxed awareness, settling gently inwards to deeper and deeper states of peace, serenity, and bliss. This is the best way to learn OJAYA, okay? You'll become so strong with this knowledge that nothing will be able to throw you off. OJAYA is, by far, the most powerful meditation you'll find anywhere. And now, we'll show you why.
OJAYA Deep Meditation is the simplest, the easiest, the most powerful, and most blissful meditation you'll find anywhere. Join Sukaishi David in the Earthborn Rainforest online classroom.
You just watch the video and take the quiz, and you're done.
Sukaishi shows you secrets of deep meditation that were forgotten for centuries. Sukaishi compares meditation methods taught today in schools around the world. You'll learn how these methods have been watered down over the centuries and why they no longer qualify as deep meditation. You'll learn to avoid common mistakes that prevent you from resting deep in meditation. Do you now practice any meditation technique? If so, is your meditation easy, effortless, and energizing? As you meditate, are you calm, serene, at peace? Whether you've practiced meditation for years or you're starting right now, completely fresh, the OJAYA course contains a wondrous knowledge that will uplift you immediately. If you wish to learn these ancient teachings, then start now at OJAYA.com. You never know what will happen next in the Earthborn Rainforest. OJAYA Deep Meditation. Start now